Here we got more eBay packages. I got the shipping labels off one box now. There's like a dent in my package. I hope everything's okay. So let's move on. These are cheap. It says this is a 14-watt amplifier, 7 watts per channel, and it kind of is good on the 40 hertz. It's 120 watts PMPO, peak momentary output. 300 millivolts. Okay. That's the input sensitivity and reform speakers. So let's take a look inside. This is the Puny AC adapter, 300 milliamps. Speakers. Looks like they have high quality speakers. Not. They're very light. I see imperfections. They're very cheap. Just look at that. Who's the one wants the amplifier inside? Also got some crappy Kenya speakers. This one has 1.5 watts RMS per channel. That's very low. 80 watts PMPO. Built-in amplifier, obviously magnetically shielded. 3-inch cone type hi-fi. It's lo-fi 4-range driver. The frequency response is 100 hertz to 20 kilohertz. Let's take a look at the Kenya speakers. I blew up Kenya speakers before, and all of them were shit. Just look at that. Very cheap. These are like the HP. Definitely not keeping these. Sure. Take a look at the power adapter. Very puny. Yeah, shit. But 300 milliamps. I think the outer part's missing. All of the adapters included, but it's cheap. Now here's a good speaker, I think. There's a good speaker inside, obviously. So I ordered 2 speakers. I ordered another JBL CSS 8004 speaker. Hopefully it came in good condition. I think it came in good shape. Yep. Absolutely. Came in good shape. Make sure it's okay. Yep. I think that's it. Thanks for watching.